In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple turtle game where our turtle is going to be moving constantly, like my mouse is, drawing a trail behind him, and we're going to get to control where he moves with the arrow keys, or actually with WASD if you prefer that. So to start, like normal, we're going to import the turtle library so we can use turtle, and we need to create our turtle drawing tool. So t is equal to turtle.turtle. And of course, you do not have to call it T. You could call this player or character or anything you would like. But I'm going to do T because it's shortest. Now I'm going to set the color for the turtle, t.color, and I want both its inner and outer color to be blue, so I'm just going to put t.color blue. Now, unlike last time, we're going to need to create the window variable because we're going to have this window listen for keyboard input so that our turtle will move when we use WASD, when we press a key. So I'm going to create a window variable. Window is equal to turtle.screen, and we grab this window variable so that I can type this, window.listen. So now these two lines of code, this first line of code creates our window variable. The second one tells this window, this screen here, to listen for keyboard input so we can change the direction of our turtle. So now let's set up the turtle's animation. While true, t.forward, and let's have the turtle move forward by a certain speed, and let's create that speed. Speed will just be 1. So if I click run, we have our turtle moving slowly and drawing a line. But now let's make it to where he changes directions when we use the WASD keys. So for that, I'm going to need to create 4 functions which will change the direction of the turtle. So the first one's going to be up. I'm going to type def up with parentheses, a colon, and I'm going to type t.set heading. This is telling the turtle to point due north when I put in 90 degrees. This is kind of like the functions we've used before, t.left, t.right, except instead of just turning by a certain angle, we are now pointing to that exact angle. So t.set heading 90 is due north. Let's do south. We're going to create the down function, and I'm going to type t.set heading 270. That's south. If you don't really understand these numbers, don't worry, you can copy this from the video. Left will be t.set heading 180. And then finally right will be t.set heading 0. All these numbers are in degrees. 0 degrees, 180, 270, 90. So we have these functions. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add event listeners, which is basically this. We're going to tell the window to run one of these functions, to execute one of these functions when a certain key is pressed. Let's start with up. I'm going to type window.onKey. What function do we want to run? Up. And when do we want to run it? When W is pressed. That will change, that will make the turtle set its direction for 90 degrees whenever the W key is pressed. That's what we're doing. This is the function that we run, and this is the key that we press when we want to run the function. This is what's called an event listener. I'm going to do the same for the remainder of the keys. On key down, down will be S. Window.onKey left will be A. Window.onKey right will be D. And now let's test it out. I'm going to click run. And now I'm going to click W, and the turtle moved up. I clicked A, he moved left. Down works when I click S, and D works when I click D. All the directions are working. And this reminds me of those toys I used to have when I was younger where you can just draw on this little screen using this magnetic ink. Well, now you get to do this with Turtle. Thank you for watching.